Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Apple Card the active payment method for your Apple ID. This lets the App Store charge it directly. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping, and add or select Apple Card. Once done, make sure the card has available credit and that your billing address matches the one on file. This prevents declines. You do this now so purchases in Roblox will route through Apple's billing rather than alternate gateways. Next, purchase Robux inside the Roblox app because Apple requires in-app purchases go through the App Store. You pick the Robux package, tap Buy, and then confirm that the Apple purchase sheet lists Apple Card as the payment method. This is how Apple Card is charged. After that, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. You do this so Apple processes the transaction and Roblox receives the virtual currency. Finally, verify the Robux landed in your Roblox account and then review the Apple Card statement to confirm the charge. If the purchase fails, make sure the card is active, the billing address and region match your Apple ID, and that you don't have spending limits. These often cause declines. If you see a charge but no Robux, contact Apple support first for billing verification, and then Roblox support so they can restore the in-game currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.